If you want to turn on live captions on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Hearing Enhancements, and from here just tap on Live Caption. Now to enable live caption, just enable this toggle. Tap on Got It, and after you do that, you will enable live caption on your tablet. Now this was the first method. For the second method, under the live caption section, just scroll down and enable the toggle for live caption in volume control. Now after you enable this toggle, now let's disable use live caption from here. Now if I go to the home screen and if I press on the volume button, now from here just tap on the three dots on the volume bar, and in the menu of the volume controls you will find the icon for live caption, just like that. And from here you will be able to enable or disable live caption from the menu of the volume controls, just like that. And this is how you can turn on or turn off live caption on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.